लेट्स गो आप लोग नहीं चलेगा?
चल ना.
अरे यार इसको कैसा है समय कैसा है बच्चा यार
आ जाइए आ जाना सर.
सर
मैम एक साइड हो
क्या
जाए.
है
इधर आ जाओ. आ जाओ आ जाओ. यस यस. ओके वेरी नाइस वेरी बबलू सर गोपाल सर. कम हुआ नहीं क्या आदत है आपका?
मेरे बोले कि कौन सा गाना बजाने को?
उसको प्यांशु बजाया साला पागल पागल इसको बोले प्यांशु
कोई कपड़ा है अभिषेक कोई कपड़ा है ऑफिस में?
To continue this event, I would like to call our one of the most you can tell that popular, famous content creator. Yes. Welcome to our anchor of the year. Our anchor of the year, please.
That will continue the Manas Mela also. Same anchor will be there in Manas Mela. आज फेयरवेल में आप हवाई चप्पल पहन के आए हैं तो आपको बताइए. अच्छा excuse of the year.
So, good morning, respected director sir, teachers, dear seniors, and my all friends.
Please report.
A very warm welcome to everyone present here. Today is a very special day and emotional day because it marks the end of the journey and beginning of the new world.
Video.
We have gathered here to celebrate memories, achievements, friendships, and peace.
So to begin this memorable day, I would like to call our respected director sir to share some of precious words with all of us.
देव जी देखो तो कौन है? They are shocking. Good noon. And it is a farewell, of course, organized by class 9 for 10. And I remember when 10 was 9, there was no farewell. So it is a reminder to you in the future, learn the basics, learn the courtesy, learn the manners. Because reading books is not enough. What is important? How do you become a better person? And the personality inside you should be presentable, should be decent, should be courteous, full of manners, and the boy should be the future gentleman and the girls should be the future ladies. Actually, what we see nowadays, because for the last 25 years, Manas International is being run in the same building here, there's a sharp deterioration in the manners the students and the children behave. They interact with the teachers. They interact with the friends. Ultimately, what I hear when I listen to our old students, someone is in Paris, Yugoslavia, someone is in Canada, the students of Manas. Of course, IITs, PhDs from IITs, many doctors, innumerable engineers, in all walks of life. For the last 5 or 6 years, I failed to overhear the same thing which we used to hear. What is happening nowadays after class 10? Most of the children, their education goes down. They fail to catch up. Especially for class 10, I'm telling this. The localities from which you are coming, you can do survey like Chandanpatti, Yogyara, Balbhadrapur, all the areas around. When you will do survey, you will find the students from Manas, the old one especially, they are at the top of their glory, top of their ladder. And they are doing wonderfully well. And 4 or 5 days back, one gentleman said to me, "Sir, one of your students is a brilliant content creator also. He is earning lakhs and lakhs." So what is important? You never forget the rigors of life should never be forgotten and ignored. Because when a baby comes out of the womb of the mother and after a few months tries to walk on the floor, it falls, rises, falls, rises, and one day it learns how to walk. So that involves rigors, toughness, hardness. Now the stick is gone. Now the teacher has no stick in the hand, nor they can scold you hard. You have to be very much mature. You should be very much aware. You should be always aware of the fact that the coming days are the days of dog eats dog competition. Competition in every walk of life is that much tough. Nothing is simple. If you want a government job in order to become a teacher in the school, government school, You have to qualify in various exams. If you want to become a medico, very tough competition, the medical competition. If you want to become an IT and engineer, very tough competition. The more you secure the marks in +2, the better will be your institution or the colleges. The less is your grade, the less will be the likelihood of your entering into the better institution. Even if the engineering college is not good, you will find the life less noteworthy. You cannot get good quality job. These are the facts of life. Even if your father gives you 50 lakhs, 1 crore, 3 crore rupees to do business, it is very unlikely that you will become successful in the business also. Because very tough competition there in the business. Only, I'm telling you, take my words very seriously. Only education can lift you up. Can take you out all the morass of life. Can put you on the high pedestal in your life. Can give you glory, money, luxury. And remember, luxury is our birthright. I will be the happiest man if one of my students enters into my campus of the Mercedes, worth 4 to 5 crore rupees. Luxury is your right. Wear branded shirt, wear branded shoe, because world is mad after brands. You embrace brands. Because quality in life will force you to do better. If your ambition is low, expectation is low, your life can never be better. Whatever you have done in the school, you are our students, our children. I will always pray God that He must help you out in the future journey ahead. I must pray, my God, to help you out in every walk of life. You are adolescent. Later on, you are going to be matured enough to become an adult. An adult has so many ups and downs in the life. Apart from the economic aspect of life, there are emotional things in the life. Today, children are in the trap of depression very easily. They fall into the trap of depression very quickly. What happened? I got depression. What happened? I got depression. What should I do? Visit the psychiatrist. Bluntly you call, they are becoming mad. So these are the lessons you must take very seriously when you go out from here. Join good institutions, choose better society, and live a healthy life. My chancellor in Bhagalpur University, I remember, Tawfiq Ahmad was my vice chancellor, and I was a Rotaract also, and he was a Rotarian. So he used to interact with us. In so many meetings, we were calling him to chair the meeting. He one sentence he always told 1,000 times he repeated. What he said? Eat well. Eat well first. Eat well. Scientifically well. Don't drink Coca-Cola and think you are eating well. Eating samosas and pastas and chowmins, don't think you are eating well. You eat scientifically well, but that means nutritious diet. Eat well. Second, he said, read well. Quality reading. And at last he said, play well. In all the big universities nowadays, when you will join the better institutes, there are gyms there. All kinds of sports are there. You can play any damn sport you want to play. Whether it is lawn tennis, badminton, cricket, football. There are so many wushu, pushu, there are so many games nowadays. You can play. And you can enjoy your life, you can enjoy your academics, you can enjoy your health, you can enjoy your career. And remember, time is gone. If the boy doesn't do well, you cannot get a better wife. And the girls, if you don't get a career, you will not get a good husband. Time is gone. Boys were bought for rupees. You pay handsome dowry, your father will get a boy for you. No, time is over. Always the boy's parents and the boy himself will ask what the girl is doing. Okay? We are into so many negotiations nowadays. When we approach the teacher, so the first question they ask is the girl teacher? So this is the problem. So be serious, be cautious, be courteous, and bring discipline in your life. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable and precious words of wisdom. So, as brothers and boys of this occasion, we have some wonderful cultural performances. Cultural performance and lineup. Let us welcome our performance with a big round of applause. The first performance is by Danish. Welcome song. Attention please everyone. So now we are going to call out the singer of Manas, Priyanshu, for his welcome song.